Right, we got some Evercross scooters. They are electric scooters. Both of them should handle me. I weigh in at about 250. I think this one's rated at 265. And this bigger one here is rated at 335 pounds. So this will probably be the one that I spend most time on. And W&J will probably spend their time on this. That way we can ride together and keep up speed-wise. I have a feeling this one will bog down if I'm on it at almost maximum weight. Whereas that one will have a little more ability to handle me. So it comes pretty much assembled. The only part that you have to install is this piece onto here, and has installation hardware. I just haven't discovered it in the box yet. I'm guessing in there. That's what you get. And just put the screws in there. And then we'll tighten it with the wrench. And then just plug in the charger, and that red light shows it's charging. It'll turn green when it's fully charged. It says it shouldn't take more than 3 hours to charge. It's been on there about 10 minutes right now.
This thing flies.